Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome you to this wonderful, lovely, tempting session of Spoken Mate. So, for today, I'm your coach. My name is Shweta Gupta. So, many congratulations for this important day. So, I'm sure each and everybody must be knowing this important day of today. So, today we are celebrating the World Food Day. So food, right? Food. Whenever we hear this word food, our mouth starts watering. मुंह में पानी आ जाता है. Food. So all of us are like foodies. We love food. So welcome you all to all the foodies. So today's session, I would like to give you few tips how to relish your daily food and become healthy and wise. So today I will let you know how to start your breakfast. So all of us are in the morning in a very hurry mode, and we are always in that rush that we have to rush to our work, to our schools, to our to our jobs, and in the morning, especially for housewives, for working professionals, for college students, for everybody, like we are in that hurry. And sometimes what we do this mistake of missing our breakfast and just eating something very light and rushing off. So the first tip is never to rush. You always eat your breakfast in calm and never leave your house without eating anything. Always eat something or the other. Something solid, something very nutritious diet you should eat. And breakfast should always be a king size breakfast so that we can be upbeated the whole day. We can be healthy and we can feel energetic the whole day. So breakfast should be very healthy and nutritious. So we can always start our day with a banana or any seasonal fruit which is there in the available in the market. So whenever we get up in the morning, usually we have this habit of having coffee or tea. So this is a hazardous to your health. Always remember not to start your day with coffee and tea, especially with the milk coffee or milk tea. We can of course opt for green tea or black coffee, but not with the milk ingredient. It is extremely harmful to our health. So rather starting the day with the milk or coffee or tea, we can start our day with a banana or any fresh fruit which is available at your house. And secondly, we can always have a handful of nuts. So nuts can be almonds and it can be raisins also. Soaked raisins and soaked almonds. They do wonders to our body. So always start your day with banana or any normal fruit. And banana is so cheap and easily affordable. You can get it anywhere and everywhere, and it is available throughout the year. So always go for a banana, or you can have a handful nuts. So nuts are always, of course, they are available at our home. So we should start our day with that. So this is basically pre-breakfast. I would call it pre-breakfast. Now, as after an hour or 1.5 hours, we can have something solid in our breakfast. Solid means Indian traditional breakfast. So it can be idli, it can be upama, it can be poha, it can be porridge, and it can be, of course, a very healthy oat meal. So always go for such kind of meals, which will basically give your body immunity and will increase your metabolism rate also. So always go for such kind of food. Even eggs can do wonders, but not removing the yolk. You should have the full egg with yolk and the white part. So this will really give you a good balanced diet which will keep you working the whole day with that energetic level. And sometimes we become lazy in cooking. So these foods, especially eggs, oats, porridge, are very easy also to make. So avoid preservatives. Don't use any packet food. Trust me, it is very harmful for you. Even a plate of pakoras will go better rather than eating preservatives or packet foods. So just eat home food. Completely come on home food. So that is the best diet for your health. Now, after that, another 2 3 hours, suppose we are in the office or suppose we are out, we can always carry a bottle with us, which can be of a nariyal pani, coconut water, which is easily available, Or we can take lemon water, that is shikanji or nimbu pani. That will really keep us hydrated and we will feel very nice throughout the day. So another after 1 or 2 hours, we should always have a glass of lemon water or we can go for coconut water. So whichever you feel convenient and whichever way you feel is available for you easily, especially for the office people. So actually what we do, we get really busy in our work and we do not focus on our health. We simply just forget our diet and we just focus on our work. So we should always have the meals and have the any ingredients in every 2 hours. We should not leave a gap. Like what we do, sometimes we are skipping our breakfast, we are straight away having a lunch. So this is very dangerous to our health. So you should always have a morning meal. It can be less. The quantity you can keep less, but after every 2 hours, you should munch something or the other so that your diet and your health is stays perfectly fit. Now for lunch, right? Lunch, of course, again a very traditional lunch. Proper our Indian traditional dal, roti, sabzi, chawal, right? That also you can have it in a good quantity because dal, pulses especially, they really keep you very much nutritious and fit. So always opt for a dal. Even dal and rice will go. So this is the best combination, dal rice for lunch. Then the and what we do, the biggest mistake what we do, that we want to lose our weight, so we avoid to have ghee. No, trust me, ghee you should never avoid. Ghee really plays a very important role for our body system because ghee is a fat which cuts other fats. So ghee is very important. Always apply ghee on your chapatis and have them. Never have them raw or without ghee because ghee is essential for our body. So we as being Indians, we always, have that myth of having ghee and we will become fat. So we should not, we should avoid, this is entirely a myth. So always have ghee. Ghee is the best source for your health and fitness. Then of course we can have chapati with jaggery. Jaggery is good. That is also a complete diet, a very healthy diet which will really make you keep healthy and fit. Then, after having lunch, like what we do usually, 4 to 6 in the evening are the timings in which we feel hungry. That is the time where we feel the most, that is the most craving time. Like we feel like eating something. So what we do, we start eating junk. Like we can opt for a burger or we can go for a chocolate or any such kind of sweets. So we should try to avoid that. We should not eat any such kind of thing. So 4 to 6 is the time when you're actually craving for food. So there, that time, you can have a little amount of poha, or you can go for makhanas, or you can go for simple any drink, any shake. So that will keep you very much energetic and lively, and it will kill your hunger so that you can have your dinner properly. Because the moment 4 to 6 when we start having junk food, that is very harmful for our body. So we should always avoid that. We should always try to have something healthy in that 4 to 6 hours. We can have peanuts also, peanuts with jaggery, makhanas, poha, like we can have such kind of stuff that time. Or we can opt for any fruit also. And we can go for homemade laddus. Our dadima's and our nanima's favorite handmade laddus. We can go for besan ka laddu, we can go for dry fruit laddu, or we can go for atta laddus. So that is like best. That will really, it will be healthy also. And you will feel good that you have eaten something very much nutritious and healthy. So avoid such junk during that time 4 to 6. 4 to 6 is the peak time. So that is the time which actually tells you whether you will be gaining weight or whether you will be losing weight. Because that time we do that mistake of having junk. Because we have those food cravings. Lunch we have already had and dinner is like ahead. So we have that gap and we wait to eat something good. So try to yeah, imbibe all these habits which I am telling you. And believe me, in another 1 month, you will see that you are absolutely fit and healthy. And of course, exercise is there, a part of a life. So we can always give half an hour to a brisk walk or to any cardio exercises or, if you have joined gym, you can go for gym, or you can go for jogging, or you can go for cardio exercises. So that's entirely your call. So always try to imbibe this routine. And then comes the dinner. Dinner, try always try to have around 7 or 7:30. Trust me, it really works. Your digestion system and your immunity system will really become wonderful and fantastic. You will not have any problem in the coming years, or in your old age, or in the later age of your life. So try to have dinner at 7 o'clock or at 7:30 at the max. Again, for dinner, you can have traditional Indian food like dal, roti, sabzi. Even you can offer rice also. So don't skip meals. Have your meal after every 2 hours. Try to munch in something after every 2 hours. Don't give it a gap, because that is not good for your health. So after every 2 hours, you should keep munching something or the other. So dinner, again after dinner, then after having dinner, we can if we've had a dinner early, then trust me, you will have a very good sleep also. And you will automatically wake up early, and your that same schedule will be followed. So I hope everybody will really will follow all these tips and all these sayings which I have given you for today. It will really work, and it will really give you a very good health and fit body if we actually work on these little things, because Indian food is the best food, because as it contains those spices which are so strong and which really build our immune system so strong that we don't need any special foods to actually overcome our body tendencies. So Indian food is the best. Indian spices are the best. So always try to follow these little steps, which will really make your body fit and fine, and you will really feel the change within yourself. You will be more positive. You will feel more happy, and try to avoid eating food outside. Always opt for home food. Homemade food is the best remedy to keep you healthy and fit and beautiful and pretty, of course. So thank you so much. I hope everybody enjoyed my today's session, as today is the World Food Day. So all of us should really, make determinations for today that yes, we will eat healthy and we will become healthy in the upcoming year. So thank you. Bye bye. Stay positive. Stay happy. Stay tuned. So see you again next week. Have a good day. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye. Thank you so much.